Like you trying to get this wolf deal or something? You got this wolf dick? You want this wolf get bigger? You want this wolf dick? I give this wolf dick on you. Let me shut. I'm sorry. Let me shut up.
Listen, Bigby.
All right.
I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something, which is fine. It's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it. Do you have to mention my name? I mean, it's not like he's ever seen me before. It's just
Deal.
well, here we are. Which
that
one was it?
huge deal. All right, so which one we go to, y'all? We got 200. We got 204, 203. Which one we got? We got I can't fucking see. We got 206, 205, 207. So we're gonna do first, chat. So which one wants to go to first? I'm gonna try to decide. So yeah, so it's ID. So those one like I should go to first. Let me talk to baby. This one's fucking. Hey, can I join? Somebody fucking in there. Hey, baby girl, let me join. Hey, can I join? This is on sex store. Somebody turn that shit in. Hey, can I join?
You go into any room you want.
Man, bitch, I'm the law.
I mean, what if someone's in there?
I'm investigating a murder. I've got to check out.
I'm the law, goddammit.
Never know what might be significant.
Well, I guess.
I'm gonna kick it open. I'm the law. Boom, move, bitch. Oh shit, let's get it.
Hey, what the fuck?
Sorry.
Open it.
You're gonna get me fired. I need this job.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
I have to do my job. It's not always
Shut
convenient.
that ass up, man. I'm doing my job, man. Alright, bitch, don't. Who you eyeballing? Who you eyeballing? What you saying? Who you eyeballing? Shit, I'll smack them eyes straight. I'll smack your ass wolf. Don't talk to me. You respect my authority. Calm your ass down, man. I'm gonna knock your ass out. Alright. Bitch, wanna fight? You wanna throw hands? Come on. Wanna throw hands? I'm gonna knock your ass out.
Listening to me.
Bitch. Calm your ass down.
I told
So you wanna do this? Bitch. Get your ass up. Whoop your bitch ass. Bitch.
Leave him be.
Now fuck this shit. He wanna swing at me. Fuck that shit. Motherfucker wanna swing at me. I'm gonna beat his ass. Bitch that bitch wanna swing at me? Motherfucker. Oh fuck that shit. I'm beating his ass. Bitch. Fuck your asshole. Fuck out my face, nigga. Whoop his ass. Come on, beep. Bitch.
Bigby, no! Don't hurt him!
Now fuck this shit. You wanna swing? You wanna swing at me? You. Oh hell to the no. Oh your ass dead. Your ass is grass now, partner. Get your ass. Fuck you, man.
You ruined everything! He's my fuck!
Calm the fuck down. So they have to snow. Oh shit.
Trust me, I know about this firsthand.
Yo.
Keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so
The next step closer.
They're trying. Wait.
What is it?
it's Crane.
What? See, it's bitch ass Crane. I knew that motherfucker. I was about to whoop his ass. Oh, I'm gonna whoop your ass, Crane. I'm about to beat your ass. Not going there. I'm gonna give you the wet work. What? So I knew this bitch ass dude. I knew it was him. Like, if that motherfucker was catching the attitude with me, I'm about to beat his ass. Yo! Yo!
Looking for a change
Oh,
of scenery. Thought I might move in. Had to take a look around first, of course. Make
This
sure
motherfucker ain't playing. Hit this motherfucker. Bitch! Take one to the fucking gut.
Alright, D. Let's get to know each other.
Oh yes, I'm gonna whoop that ass, boy. Better tell me when I'm gonna whoop that ass. This fam. Huh?
Going in circles. He's getting somewhere.
And motherfucker, you wanna talk? Knock him.
Fuck!
You better talk.
This is how it's gonna be.
Guys, what should I do, guys?
Take a punch, Bigby, because I got one with your name.
Motherfucker. Oh, really? Oh, no, fuck that shit. Oh, fuck that. Like, I'm about to fucking check what should I do. Punch or talk to him. Oh, you talking shit? Knock your ass out again, bitch.
You'll fucking pay for this!
Don't talk back to me, motherfucker.
Bigby, I told you.
Talk back to me, motherfucker.
Violence, and what do you do? We could all.
She didn't steal anything from me, jackass. It's from my
Oh, you call me a
I
jackass.
got anything worth stealing?
Oh, hell no. I'm whooping your ass. Yo, oh, you. Motherfucker, you don't call me a jackass. Hey, I don't like people call me a jackass. Motherfucker, you don't.
It's clear you're just
Hey, nobody calls me a jackass. That's my shit you're stealing. Oh, you wanna call me a jackass? Okay, got something for that. What ass? Got something for that ass. Huh. I got something for that ass. You wanna call me a jackass?
saving that.
I'm a jackass. Okay. I'm a jackass. Oh, I'm a jackass now, huh? I'm a jackass now. Let's see what we're saying, huh?
Last chance. Who are you working for?
Fuck you! You're a piece of shit, Bigby! What's wrong about you?
I'm about to up.
You're full of shit. Oh, we're good friends.
Choke his monkey ass.
I will not tolerate this savagery. You
That-
think someone was
Crane,
trying
I'm
to
a-
snow? Isn't it more likely someone
Eh,
was trying
get the
to
fuck out of my-
get you by killing her?
Sock the thing in his.
Fuck you.
What's going on down here?
What the fuck? So she wasn't dead? What? What? She wasn't dead? I thought Snow was dead. Nah.
Close her mouth.
What that mouth do though? No, and no chat right now. Chat. I know you mean chat. I don't fuck dead people. Like that's nasty. Like I don't get my dick sucked by beheaded women. I don't get my dick sucked by dead. Shit. I fucked this up, did I? Right? Yeah, we're gonna edit that out. Just roll the tapes.
Looks just like Faith's did.
But there was nothing in her mouth this time. Do you think it was done by this?
Yo, I'm here by Ariel.
Smile.
Ain't she the fucking mermaid?
How many times do I have to say
God damn, so Ariel. Damn, so Ariel busting it open for everybody? Ariel? She busting it open.
You want them to think you feel happy. You want them to forget about your show.
God damn, real Totaro? Totaro, for real Totaro. See?
You want them to get so
Hold on.
that they'll suffer.
Hold on, we're gonna pause this. We gotta talk, Gentaro. We gotta talk. So you telling me the Little Mermaid is not under the sea? She's under them legs. She's busting it wide open for all the people. We just tell him, Gentaro. Wow. Let's continue the game.
That they'll suffer their wallet.
Comes naturally.
Let's smash. All right, we're gonna smash some shit. We're gonna smash. You wanna tell me? I'm breaking your shit.
You unbelievable prick.
Tell me, you better fucking tell me. Get the fuck out. I'm breaking shit. Tell me. Give him the fucking book. Give him the fucking book.
You shouldn't have messed with that. Don't even think about it.
Aw, fuck your TV. You better tell me. You better fucking tell me. You better tell me. You better stop lying to me.
Touch that. You hear me? It's nothing to do with you.
Shit. Oh, so we.
What's this?
Oh, so we snitching now. We snitching.
I wouldn't know.
So
It was here when we moved in.
you
I
bet.
don't have a key to it. Sheriff, will you come on? Fuck's sake, I've got to open up in a few hours.
Give me the book.
Give it to me.
You're a big bad bastard. We get it. Everyone's guilty. Everyone's guilty. We fucking get it.
Give me the fucking book. I'm gonna beat your ass. Give me the book. I'm gonna beat your monkey ass.
I'll pay you. There's nothing there.
Fuck
for you.
this. Tell me the fucking. You wanna tell me? Yo, shit getting smashed.
What the hell am I supposed to do tonight while the girl's on stage? Harmonica, kazoo, whistle a happy tune. Fucking unbelievable. Woody, come on, man.
Fucking crash my business over this bullshit. Protector of Fable down my ass.
Well, motherfucker, you should tell me where the fucking book at. You should don't lie to me no more.
Again, don't get your
When I tell you,
nothing in here
when I tell you, you tell me.
but it's a kick to the balls for me and my
You can remember. Shit, I gotta fight these fat fucks. Let's get it. Damn. Damn. Oh shit. Get. Oh hell to the no. Y'all fucked up now. Damn, y'all just got real. I got blown away.
Bigby?
Oh, y'all fucked up now, boy. Y'all fucked up now. Y'all fucked up. Let's get it. Oh, y'all fucked up now, partner. Y'all fucked up now. Go. Come on, motherfucker. I'm eating them shits, ho. Eating them. Eating them shits, boy. I'm eating it. Oh, y'all. Oh, I'm gonna fuck y'all up. I'm gonna beat y'all asses. I'm eating the whole for dinner. I ate the whole for dinner. I'm eating them. Give me some more, partner. Give me some more. Oh shit. About to get real in this hoe. Let's go. I'm pissed off now, partner. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. Bitch. Fuck him up, bitch. Fuck him up. Bitch. Beat your pudgy ass, motherfucker. Little bitch. Bitch. So I'm gonna fuck your ass up. What's up, baby girl? Here you go, you fat bitch. What's good, ho? I'm gonna beat that. Give me this fucking gun. Man, motherfucker, ain't done with you yet, boy. I'm killing your ass, bitch. Fuck you. Piss me off. Sorry, Wolf. I'm sorry, Snow. He pissed me off. I tell him. God damn. Oh wait, silver bullet. I forgot. Where was? Oh, he got silver bullet. Shit. I'm down.
It was a good show, but you know.
Oh, bitch, I'm gonna kick your ass next
You
time.
just didn't know when to end.
Beating your ass. I'm gonna whoop your ass, baby girl, when I see you. What's she about to do? Wait, she about to fuck me up?
You know, you wouldn't think silver bullets would work on anything but a pure werewolf. But as it turns out, it's just
Oh shit! She about to fuck me up. No.
Wolfie.
you about to fuck me up? No.
I mean, hey, look,
Oh,
I know
she-
it sounds
oh, she
ridiculous.
about to fuck me up. No.
Guys.
No. Mama, no. Don't fuck me up.
Can you argue with dating
Ah, shit.
adults?
She about to fuck me up.
I know I can't.
Oh, she's about to fuck me. No. She's fuck. I got fucking shot. I'm gonna
Nope,
beat you.
not like your boyfriend.
Oh, come on, no, come on. Okay, okay, but come on, man. You break my fucking arm. Come on, man. I'm banged up.
To the relationship we have with you guys.
That's fucked up, man. I'm banged up and I just broke my fucking arm. Ain't that a bitch?
Out with the old, in with the new.
Oh yeah, bitch. Oh, I'm gonna whoop your ass now. I'm gonna whoop your ass.
I'm sure we'll be in touch.
Oh, bitch,
See you around.
bitch. When I keep, ooh, if I don't get hands on you, hoe. When I get my hands on you, like I'm gonna rip your motherfucking throat out. I'm gonna rip you. I broke my motherfucking arm, God. Man, my shit's dangling. Ain't